Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to pin message on WhatsApp. For these settings, you have to update your WhatsApp from Play Store. Then you have to search WhatsApp app, and here you can see update option. Update it, open it. After opening it, you have to choose a chat, then tap a message from here. Then you have to click the three dot icon, and here you can see pin option. Click to pin. Choose how long you pin last. You can unpin at any time. I select 30 days, then it pin it. I pin a message, and here you can see your pinned message. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.